So, good morning, namaskar, salam alaikum, and kasaka YouTube. It's Obamutu Obal, and today we are back with another video. So, this video will be regarding chain lubing and chain cleaning, which is very necessary for your bike in order to keep the performance good and even to keep your chain and sprocket in rust free and good state. So, I would like to thank Motor for providing me free samples for testing. So, this is the Motor chain clean which is used before chain lubing in order to clean the chain. This is the Motor chain lube which is used for lubing the chain in order to keep the functioning smooth. So as you guys can see, my chain is totally dirty and it has even got some rust on it. In order to keep the chain rust free and show you how to properly clean and lube the chain. For this you will need a Motor chain clean, a chain lube, gloves to keep your hands dry, a cloth, and a chain brush or a toothbrush. Let's get started. So guys, the first step is to take the chain cleaner, apply the chain cleaner thoroughly all over the chain. After you have applied the chain cleaner all over the chain, clean the chain with the toothbrush properly from all the four sides. After that, apply the chain cleaner again and try to get rid of the dirt which is present on the chain with the help of the cloth. After your chain is properly cleaned, take the chain lube and apply the chain lube all over the chain. Make sure that you don't spill the chain lube over the disc, as it may lose the friction and it might land you into some problem. So I hope you guys like the video. Stay subscribed, like the video, and stay tuned for the off-roading video coming next week. Cheers. Ride safe.